And this to Uncle Michael. Let's see how you do.
To your brother?
Yep.
Your brother?
To my brother. What's my brother's name?
Uncle Michael.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Watch me.
No, we're good.
Watch me.
You've got mail.
Riley.
They're about to break my neck. These are hurting my feet.
Okay, now we're gonna pause this.
You're cheating.
Julie, one-handed. Riley did it one-handed.
Yeah, she did.
Then I can do
The
this
2-year-old beats the 6-year-old.
You mean the 4-year-old beats the 9-year-old?
The 1-year-old. Where was that cat in here? Oh my God, they really do have cats in here.
No, that's from your phone.
Oh, I thought there was a cat in
I'm
here.
still trying to. Call Uncle Michael to help me.
Okay, there she did it,
Yep,
Uncle.
this is how it did.
There she did it, Mikey. Now you want to see how Daddy does it?
William.
Here's this is. This is how Daddy does it with chopsticks.
Not my food.
You're cheating.
That was so good, and I'm a professional.
Hey, Uncle William.
Now, Carmen, you try with chopsticks.
She'll be better than all of us. Ew, not broccoli. You can keep those chopsticks.
Baby. And you want to try one more time and show Uncle Michael?
Yeah. This is how we do. Excuse me.
Okay, we're going to give up.
Uncle William, come help me.
So this is why they're so thin. They can't ever eat no food.
Exactly. Good girl, Riley.
You could only pick up one piece at a time.
You're a chopstick professional.